The first ever Hyundai Venue has arrived. With advanced safety and technology features, a sleek, compact design, the Venue makes the city streets your playground. Express your style through 8 different shades of wow and 8 more available two-tone color options. Light up the night with a very distinctive and unique LED lighting signature. And make a bold entrance with 17-inch alloy wheels. Now get ready to take on the hustle of city life. The SmartStream 1.6-liter engine is optimized for both fuel efficiency and performance. Control is in your hands with the 6-speed manual transmission. Or experience our SmartStream intelligent variable transmission for a smooth ride and enhanced fuel efficiency. Find yourself in a winter wonderland? Dial up your traction with Snow Mode, designed to enhance stability and safety. Now get a load of this. The Venue features an innovative cargo shelf that is there when you need it and tucks away when you don't. No need to look for a place to store it. Plus, a 2-level trunk floor lets you pack in items small to tall. And 60/40 rear fold seats give you even more versatile room to play with. It's time to take a look inside. First, let's talk convenience. Why get into a cold vehicle when you can remotely start it at the press of a button? Even better, forget digging around for your key. You can also open the door and start the engine by pushing a button. Take a seat in total comfort. Yes, even in cold Canadian winters. Surround yourself in warmth with standard heated front seats and an available heated steering wheel. Whatever the weather, the automatic temperature control makes sure the cabin is just as cool or warm as you want it. Your front passenger will be all about the unique storage area, perfect for what they want within reach. Now, open the power sunroof and take in the city lights. Comfortable? Good. Now get connected to the Venue's advanced technology. BlueLink puts all kinds of safety and convenience features at your fingertips, like remote engine start from your smartphone and automatic collision notification in the event of certain accidents. Also at your fingertips is the 8-inch touchscreen. That's where you can find the built-in navigation system, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Many of the apps you love on your phone are accessible easily and safely. Now that you know where you're going, the Venue will help you arrive safe and sound. Starting with the Superstructure. It's a state-of-the-art frame made from our own advanced high-strength steel. Our innovative Hyundai SmartSense technology has you surrounded with advanced safety features. Detecting the closing gap between a vehicle or pedestrian ahead, Forward Collision-Avoidance Assist is designed to warn you of a potential collision in certain circumstances. If you don't stop in time, emergency braking can be applied. If you drift outside your lane, Lane Departure Warning with Lane Keeping Assist is designed to alert you with audible and visual cues. And if necessary, the system can gently correct your steering to help you remain within your lane. Switch lanes with more confidence. The Blind Spot Collision Warning is designed to alert you if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Turning your high beams on and off can be an inconvenience. That's why we've included High Beam Assist, which detects oncoming traffic and will turn your high beams on and off accordingly. When it comes to backing in and out of city parking spots, don't you wish you had eyes in the back of your head? Well, with Rear Cross Traffic Collision Warning, you sort of do. Sensors are designed to alert you if a vehicle is approaching from the left or right as you're reversing. Whether you're on a long road trip or had a long day at work, it's important to always be alert behind the wheel. That's why Driver Attention Warning monitors your driving patterns and warns you if it detects drowsy or inattentive driving. You'll also get peace of mind with our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer comprehensive warranty. And 5 years of roadside assistance is available 24/7 with no mileage restriction. Calling all urban adventurers, the first ever Hyundai Venue has arrived.